Looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road in 2026? Whether you want crystal clear footage, night vision, or full 3-channel coverage, choosing the right dash cam can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026, covering features, performance, pros and cons, and which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F7 NP 4K Dash Cam. We have the REDTIGER F7 NP, the best all-around dash cam on this list. This model strikes the perfect balance between performance, features, and price. It offers 4K front recording, Starvis 2 sensor, GPS tracking, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfers. The footage quality is consistently sharp, both during the day and at night, making it highly reliable in all driving conditions. It also includes a free memory card, so you're ready to go right away. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, reliable night performance, built-in GPS, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, great value for money. If you want a dependable, high-performance dash cam without overpaying, this is easily one of the best choices in 2026. Number 2. REDTIGER F7 N Touch. We have the REDTIGER F7 N Touch, which combines performance with user-friendly design. The highlight here is the 3.18-inch touchscreen, making navigation smooth and intuitive, no more struggling with tiny buttons. Like the previous model, it includes Starvis 2 technology, ensuring excellent image quality, especially at night. You also get 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, and a 128 GB card included, which makes it a complete package. In everyday use, this dash cam feels modern and easy to operate, which is a big plus for beginners. Pros: touchscreen makes it easy to use, excellent video quality, fast Wi-Fi transfers, includes memory card, premium feel. Perfect if you want a premium experience with simple controls and strong performance. Number 3. REDTIGER F7 NA 4K Dual Dash Cam. We have the REDTIGER F7 NA, a favorite among drivers who prioritize video quality. This dash cam features the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which dramatically improves night recording performance. You get 4K front recording and 1080p rear, along with HDR and WDR technologies, ensuring better detail in both bright and dark conditions. One standout feature here is voice control, letting you operate the camera hands-free, something you don't often see in this price range. It also supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, meaning faster downloads compared to standard Wi-Fi dash cams. Pros: excellent night vision with Starvis 2, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control support, reliable performance, supports up to 512 GB storage. If your main focus is high-quality footage and night performance, this is an excellent option. Number 4. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dash cam. We step things up with this 4K triple-channel dash cam. This one records in 4K on the front camera and 2K on both the rear and interior cameras, giving you significantly sharper footage compared to standard 1080p models. It also includes dual-band Wi-Fi, allowing you to quickly transfer videos to your phone, and built-in GPS, which logs your speed and location. Another big plus is the 128 GB memory card included, which saves you extra cost. In terms of performance, the video clarity here is impressive, license plates are easier to read, and wide-angle coverage ensures fewer blind spots. Pros: sharp 4K front video, 3-channel full coverage, GPS tracking included, large storage included, wide 170 degrees viewing angle. This is a great choice if you want premium clarity with complete coverage, especially for professional drivers. Number 5. 1080p 3-channel dash cam. We have this 1080p 3-channel dash cam, designed for full coverage at an affordable price. This camera records front, rear, and inside your vehicle simultaneously, making it especially useful for rideshare drivers like Uber or Lyft. You also get features like HDR, loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and 24-hour parking monitoring, which helps keep your car protected even when you're not around. It even comes with a 32 gigabytes memory card, so you can start using it right out of the box. Now, in real-world use, the footage is decent during the day, with clear enough details for general driving situations. At night, performance is acceptable but not exceptional. Pros: full 3-channel coverage. Budget-friendly. Easy plug-and-play setup. Includes SD card. If you're on a tight budget and want maximum coverage rather than maximum quality, this is a solid pick. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you choose the right dash cam, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on these dash cams. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going with, or if you want me to review another product next. See you in the next video.